Hi co-teachers! Welcome to a new video featuring ClassPoint, an interactive teaching in PowerPoint. I'm Johnny, one of the ClassPoint certified trainers in the Philippines, and you can also visit my YouTube channel, Master Johnny, where we make your PowerPoint interactive with the help of ClassPoint. For this video, we will be discussing and I'll be showing to you how we'll be able to install ClassPoint in your computer and also to sign up in your PowerPoint. So let me walk you through on how easy to install ClassPoint in your PowerPoint. Okay, let's go. And in your search engine box, let's just simply type ClassPoint. ClassPoint. Alright. And then enter. And then select this one, classpoint.io. Click this one. And you are now in the website of ClassPoint. So ClassPoint is compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10, and Office 2013, 2016, 2019, and 365. All we have to do is to click the free download. So click this one, and then you'll be asked for this information. So just simply put your name, Johnny, and then your email. Okay, I'll put here on your organization. So for example, DevEd. And then just simply click download now. So once that you click download now, you can see here on the lower left side that the ClassPoint is already being downloaded. Once downloading is done, you can just simply click this one and click accept and install. Okay, so that's how easy installing ClassPoint is. So once that you are done installing your ClassPoint, then you open a PowerPoint, any PowerPoint presentation, and then you can see here inyo ClassPoint. Simply click this one and then click sign in. You just simply click here sign up and then write all the information needed. Okay, next. And then enter your verification mode. You can check your email for this one. And you're good to go. So once that you're in, you can now enjoy the features, the interactive features of the inyo ClassPoint. You can also watch the other videos I have made in my YouTube channel. Isn't it amazing? I'm inviting all of you to register and participate in our webinar through Zoom. This will happen on September 4 at 4 to 5:30 p.m. That's Saturday. Don't forget to register on the link that you can see on the screen. So you will get a free certificate and become a ClassPoint certified educator. Plus, we have a free 1-month ClassPoint Pro account, a raffle to win ClassPoint Pro account, and a special prize for a ClassPoint Pro subscription. Alright, see you on September 4, teachers. Don't forget to register. Stay tuned for new videos and webinars featuring ClassPoint. Thank you.